everyone, welcome to a Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading for Leos, my dear Leos. Okay, so if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to enroll for 10 days and 15 days numerology and tarot learning workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to donate via PayPal and Google Pay, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one reading with me via PayPal and Google Pay globally, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's check out, guys, what's coming up for you Leos in the month of September, and let's check it out. One important thing, I have changed my pattern for reading this month. I'm just trying something new. So there are 10 questions which I have written over here because I don't remember. So I'll be asking those questions, and whatever cards will be popping out, I'll be letting you know. Okay, it might be related to career, it might be related to relationship, it might be related to the situationship. Okay, take it however it resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, so yes, guys, let's check it out. What's going on with Leos? Okay, so what are you going through currently, Leos? What are you going through currently, Leos? You are being patient enough. You are going through some major awakening, major healing, major spiritual awakening right now, Leos. Okay, in a major way. It's like a big spiritual awakening is happening with you. Your third eye chakra is opening. Okay, for most of the Leos out there. Okay, and if you might be understanding the spiritual messages, universal signs 111 222 333 444. Okay, so there's a spiritual healing is going on for you guys. Okay, so the second question, if you follow your present plan, what is likely to the outcome of this situation? Okay, what will be the outcome of the situation if you follow the healing path or spiritual path? There's someone who wants to come towards you, but their energy is blocked. Like they are planning, they are thinking within themselves, but their energy is blocked. They want to offer a cup of love towards you, but their energy is blocked. They are not taking any action, Leos. Okay, so yes, their energy is being blocked right now. Okay, so what do you need to know about your career, your relationship, and your health? What do you need to know about your career, your relationship, and your health? What do you need to know about your career, relationship, and your health? What do you need to know about your career, relationship, and your health? It's going on fine, Leos. Okay, like there might be few disappointments which you're having related to career, either career or relationship. Okay, you are thinking about it, but you are ready to move forward. You are ready to leave past behind. You are ready to take an action towards moving forward. Some of the Leos might be thinking about relocating to a new location. Some of the Leos might be thinking about traveling or exploring or going on an adventurous path. Okay, so yes, it's all about disappointments. Some of the disappointments are there, but now you are ready to leave it behind and move forward in life. Okay, so yeah, some of the Leos might be dealing with a Libra or a Cancerians. Okay, and or a Sagittarius. Some of you might be dealing with any water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so yes, so what do you need to know, or what do you need to do or to change the current situation? What do you need to do for changing the current situation? What do you need to do to change and improve the situation? What do you need to do for changing? Just be aware of the manipulative people around you, Leos. Okay, devil energy I can see twice it occurred. Okay, so yeah, what do you need to know to change the current situation? What do you need to know to change the current situation? What do you need to know to change the current situation? What do you need to know for changing the current situation? Something related, someone is coming towards you, Leos, for to offer a cup of love towards you, to have a stable foundation when it comes to your married life. Some of the Leos might be married also, so someone is trying to come back. If two people were in separation, a reconciliation or reunion might happen, or a home, someone is trying to come towards you, and that is his or her wish fulfillment. Okay, like to be with you is his wish fulfillment. So this is a marriage card. So someone is trying to fix a situation, someone is trying to fix a marriage or a home life, okay, with you. So yes. Next question. Sorry guys, I have written it here and I have to read it because I don't remember questions. Okay, so next. So tell me, what are your partners feeling towards you? What are your partners feeling towards you? What are your partners feeling towards you? Leos, if you were, dealing with a third party situation, or, if your communication was blocked, okay, now they are ready to take an action. They are ready to, currently you might not be hearing from them because the communication is blocked or a third party situation is involved right now. But yeah, they are ready to cut the, they are ready to work towards it. Okay, they are ready to make a collaborative effort towards it, but it will take time. Like it will, between September to November it will happen for sure, not right now. Okay, so yes. Okay, so next question. But yeah, their feelings towards you is that they feel something, that they, that they have cutted the communication, or you have cutted the communication, and you are not even taking action to fix this situation, fix this marriage, fix this home life. You are not making any effort and you have cutted the communication. That is what they are thinking about you. Okay, you are a kind of a person which you have done that. Okay, so where this relationship might be going, 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 where this relationship might be going. King of Swords. Okay, gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to this relationship. Someone is gaining a clarity. It might not be you, is because you are already going through a spiritual awakening. It might be your person, okay? But someone is gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to this marriage, this relationship, and someone wants to make it work. Someone is trying to fix it, okay? So yes, the next question. What should you focus on for now? What should you focus on for now? What should you focus on for now? Okay. Well, if you are confused, release the confusion. You just need to focus on yourself, because, and I think you are doing it. You are no more waiting for a person right now. You are ready to take an action towards moving forward. You're just working on yourself. Self-love, self-awareness, self-care is your utmost priority. Okay, and yes, this is the best part. You are focusing on it right now. So what are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears, Leos? What are your hopes and fears? 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 Your hopes and fear is that you are afraid to deal with this heartbrokenness again. Okay, you don't want to deal with this heartbreak again. Okay, that's why you are releasing this third party situation. You are releasing, you just don't want to be heartbroken again. Okay, and that's why you are not taking any action. You are not trying to fix a relationship, and you feel heartbroken, betrayed, and You just don't want to feel this emotion again into your life, and there might be third party situation involved. Okay, so that's why you don't want to deal with it, and that is your biggest hope and biggest fear, that you don't want to deal with it because you don't want to hurt yourself again. Okay, you don't want this emotion again. Okay, so next, so what will be your outcome, Leos, for the month of September? What will be your outcome for the month of September? What will be your outcome for the month of September, Leos? What will be the outcome for the month of September? What will be the outcome for the month of September? What will be the outcome for the month of September? What will be the outcome for the month of September? What will be the outcome for the month of September? Sorry. What will be the outcome for the month of September? Your outcome is you're waiting for some sort of news. You might hear some sort of news, message, email, text from your person, or from a connection. Might be relationship, might be career. I feel it's a relationship, but yeah, you might be hearing some sort of message, text, email, communication from your person. Okay, this will be the outcome for the month of September, guys. So congratulations. Some of you might be, getting a communication from your person in this month, like September. Beautiful. So three cards. What you're dealing with, three cards. Just three cards. You are suppressing your feelings. You don't want to show your emotions to someone because you just feel that you want to end this emotion, end this relationship. You just feel like it. Suppression, you are just suppressing your feelings. Okay, you are not showing it to the outside world. You are just keeping your emotions internally within yourself. Okay, a lot of sorrow, sadness are there, but you are just releasing it. Like you are thinking about it in the sleep or somewhere, but yeah, you are releasing it. Like you are no more thinking about it. You are no more expressing your pain to someone, to the outside world. Okay, so if there was any imbalance within you or the outer world, okay, so you are just trying to balance your internal your soul and the outer world, inner world and outer world. You are just trying to balance it. Okay, and that's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. The Emperor. So there is some dominant energy. Particularly Emperor is all about a person who takes in charge of your own power. So just universe is trying to tell you, be into your own power. You have just taken your wands into your own hands. You have just taken your power into your own hands, and you are no more giving a fuck about anything. Okay, so that's a beautiful thing, that you are just into your own power. The Emperor. Okay, that's a beautiful thing, guys. Let's check it out. What are your energy cards saying? What are your energy cards saying? Energy oracle cards saying. What are your energy oracle cards saying? You are no more attached to a person. Okay, like you are releasing that attachment from a person, and that is no more making you disappointed. Like you are at a level of healing spirituality, so you are just getting detached from a particular connection, relationship or anything. You are just in a level, on a verge of detaching yourself from a person, from a relationship, from a particular situation. Okay, and there's some issues going on with your home life, married life. Okay, four is all about 11. Okay, so there's some issues going on with your home life, family life. Okay, which is not good. So yeah, sixth chakra. You have to heal your sixth chakra because there is some blockage going on, and Archangel Metatron is, you know, protecting you. Okay, there's some issues going on with your home life, foundation and stability. Okay, so you just need to be careful about it. Okay, so yes guys. Okay, I'm going to shuffle it again guys. Okay. Okay, so the archangel is Archangel Uriel. So his message for you is, I'm at peace. Legions of angels are my personal entourage, helping me every day in every way. I am aligned with the divine plan. My ancestors direct me on my path. I am grateful for the knowledge they impart to me. Spiritual awakening. So the month, the gemstone for this month is Celestine. Okay, you can Google it. So your messages, are you hearing messages from your angels? Have you noticed your life flows easily, as if divine timing is working in your life? Divine timing, it's all about, it's all happening because of the universe plan. Okay, so there is divine timing which is playing its role. Okay, peace is yours. You have a team of angels on your side, illuminating and orchestrating your life. They respond to your thoughts, wishes and dreams according to the divine plan. Beautiful guys. Okay, so I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. But one important thing guys is that kindly help us to subscribe and comment down below how was the reading. Okay, so yeah, I'm grateful to you and thank you for all the karma donations. For more karma donations, the details of PayPal and Google Pay is given in the description box below. Okay, thank you so much guys. Thanks a lot, Leos. Bye-bye.